Alright guys, here we go again. Gonna start logging some data. But here we go. Taking second gear again and third gear again and see how the just fifth tune does. See if I get any misfires. Alright, here we go, slowly getting into it. Bogging down, I hear it. I don't see any misfires yet. I'm hearing it. You hear it? Boom! Loud pop. Okay. Let's see now. Third gear. Do wide open throttle again. I didn't feel. I didn't see anything, but on the stock map it misfires. So that makes me believe that it makes me believe that Jeff's is doing something to mask the problem I already have. I mean, y'all understand what I'm starting to say? I don't know what else it could be. I mean, my last engine made that same noise in the high RPM before it went. Other than that, I mean, cancel my logs here. I have some logs going. I'll get another log for y'all, but I don't know what it is. If maybe y'all could help me, get to the bottom of this. So appreciate it.